So I think my camera died during the video of the valve adjustment. It's a T20 on the very inside of the, what was it? 9/16. I don't remember. There's a nut and there's a set screw on the inside of it. It's a T20. You loosen that, then you can tighten and adjust your rocker to set your lash. And you tighten that nut up, and then you set your set screw. Good to go. Here. Do a little walk around. Show how beautiful it is. All it was is a valve adjustment, guys. Let's see. Oops. Fortunately, I got still on. Yeah. No, quick it starts. All it is the valve lash.
I turn it off.